Hello guys, Jain. Welcome to S Online. ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, LPSC, that means Liquid Propulsion System Center, invites application for the post of scientist or engineer SC level. Level 10 pay matrix 56,100 to 1,77,500. And in the different categories, let's see. Post number 803, one post is available, that means one vacancy is available, and the detail according to this 803 post, if you have completed BE, BTech in mechanical, production engineering, ME or MTech in welding technology or mechanical welding and sheet metal engineering, then you are eligible. 804, one vacancy, BE, BTech in mechanical engineering, ME, MTech in turbo machinery and internal combustion engine and turbo machinery and internal combustion engineering. 805, here details is mentioned, and all the other posts, that means 805 and 806 and 807, their details in educational field is mentioned. And you have to know here it is also mentioned for 803, 804, 805 and 806. BE, BTech equivalent should be in first class with an aggregate minimum 65% of marks. That means you have to completed your, at first you have to completed your BE, BTech with 65% marks, then you are eligible. And ME, MTech or equivalent with an aggregate minimum 60% of marks, then you are eligible for this 806 post. And if you want to apply for 802 post for 2 vacancies, then BE, BTech or equivalent should be in first class with an aggregate of 65% of marks. Then you are eligible. And here educational qualification, that means BE, BTech should have been completed within the stipulated duration of the course and prescribed by the university, recognized university or institute by union government, AICTE or UGC. Age limit as on 12/5/2026 is 30 years for post number 803 to 806, and post number 807, the age limit on disability age limit on 12/5/2026 is 28 years. And as per the union government norms, ex-servicemen and departmental candidate person with benchmark disability are eligible for the upper age relaxation. If you are interested, then you have to visit www.lpsc.gov.in where all details are given. And if a detailed PDF will available in the official website, then a next video or new video will come with the detail of the LPSC recruitment. Okay, you can apply 14 hours on 28/4/2026 to 14 hours on 12/5/2026. So this is good opportunity for you all who completed BE, BTech, ME, MTech in the discipline or respective subject. Then you are eligible to apply in LPSC ISRO. Okay, we will meet in next video. So tata, bye bye, Jai Hind to all of you.